Okay, so you can see on the right the Dremel flex shaft is much more like a pen to use as opposed to the Dremel itself, and this is what makes it more comfortable, easy to use, and a great choice for the beginner. Okay, so you're either going to get your flex shaft in the kit that you bought, it's usually in the lid right there, or on the right there you can individually buy flex shafts as well for your Dremel. And in each kit you will find that is called the driver cap. Okay, so what you're going to need to put it all together is you need the Dremel, of course, and unplug that for safety, and you need the Dremel spanner and the drive cap. Okay, so firstly you need to press the shaft lock button, and then with the Dremel spanner remove the collet nut, and then the collet, and then that sleeve there. Okay, so then we need to put on the driver cap, so just hold down the drive lock and put it on with your fingers, and then use the spanner, and you only need to do it for a third of a turn. Okay, so make sure that the square hole of the driver cap engages with the center core of the flex shaft. Okay, so push the shaft and the Dremel together, and you'll notice when it engages it sort of slips into each other like that. And then with the black part there, just wind that on and firmly tighten it with your hand, and that's all that's needed with that. Okay, so at the other end of the flex shaft we have the handpiece, and now we're going to assemble that part. So the first thing is we take the collet and we put that in, and then we put the collet nut over that. We gently finger tighten it while putting our thumb on that silver button, which is the shaft lock. Then we can put a burr in if we need to, and then we tighten it up with our fingers and just firmly tighten it up with the spanner. No need to over tighten it there. Okay, so then hang your Dremel up with the flex shaft hanging down, and then turn it on and run at full speed for 2 minutes. And what this does is run the flex shaft in before you use it. Okay, so here is the bonus tip. When handling the flex shaft, never pick it up by the hand piece, because see what happened there. The inner core comes flying out and can land on the floor and be covered in grit. So when you go to put it back in, you can actually even put it either way in. It doesn't really matter because each end is square. So just push it back in. Okay, so now you've got your flex shaft ready to go. You can check out these beginner carvings and have a go at those. I walk you through it in the videos that you can click right there.